Now I want to show you something very nice. So I'm going to do this. And I put this here. Then I'm going to Excel add-ins. Include this. What happens is when I select the cell where I have the date, I have here the possibility to select the date from a data picker. I see the calendar. As simple as that. It's very nice, as you can see. This, and you get the date. As simple as that. So now you can select here. I can now move as this is. It's very interesting because now I can change completely using this data picker. I have to pay attention because here I have okay, so this is up to you now. So now we use also this object. We created a more sophisticated dashboard.